people used to teach shall and will both. Okay, where did they use shall with I and we?
I and V.
Still in many schools teachers teach, and with will with all other subjects. सब्जेक्ट्स किसको बोलते हैं? आई वी यू दे, ये सब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं इंग्लिश में, ठीक है? सो बट वन कॉन्फ्रेंस टुक प्लेस इन इंग्लैंड, अंडरस्टैंड, लॉन्ग टाइम अगो, सो दे रिमूव्ड शेल को खत्म कर दिया उन्होंने, अंडरस्टैंड, बट स्टिल बिकॉज दैट इंफॉर्मेशन डिडंट कम इन इंडिया, इन मेनी पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एज वेल, सो वी आर स्टिल यूजिंग इट, बट इट्स यूज इज रिमूव्ड. इन स्पोकन इंग्लिश इट इज completely finished. We never teach shall. Understand? In written English, very in a very least case, understand, it is used. But in written English also it is finished. Understand? So will is used everywhere. Understand? But still we can use shall, and shall is being used in one kind of topic of grammar. That is suggestion. If you want suggestion, you are in the showroom, you want to buy this shirt, and you have to ask from your friend that क्या मैं ये शर्ट खरीदूं? You will use for taking the suggestion लेने ना किसी से. Shall I buy this dress? Only this. This is the only use of shall, not other than this. यही एक use है shall का, that is pending. जब हम modal verbs, when we teach modal sentences, use of would, should, might, may, must, so we teach shall. We never teach shall over there also. तो shall का यही use है suggestion के लिए. बाकी you can use will everywhere.
Formal and informal suggestion के लिए हम shall use करेंगे.
Yes, no. I will tell you. Like when you have to take permission, if you are studying with your officials, your principal, somebody, you would use may. But with friend you can use shall.
Shall. Okay.
Outside the setting of office,
We can use the word
shall, use the shall. This is clear? Shall. Nobody can question you कि आपने क्यों, why did you use shall here? If you don't use shall with I and we, this is okay. But people who are not updated, they are outdated people also in our society.
Yes.
Their knowledge is not updated. Understand? Still they believe in traditional old methods. So you can answer them, sir. Study the you can say documents or whatever. This is not in use. Understand? But in some grammar books, it is still used. ठीक है, ये है.